All right, all right, all right. That's the end of the day. And you could do something for me. You could hit the subscribe, you could hit the bell, and you could hit the like. And hit up the comments. Tell me what you think. So, look, we had a little retrace on the dailies, and now we are just ripping back up to the highs. Um, Not bad. You can see, again, a little divergence going on here. Um, Here's something interesting. Nope, that's fading out. Yeah, I think we're in consolidation a little bit because we've got minutes on Wednesday. We got non-farm on Friday. I'm pretty certain. I haven't looked, but that's in the back of my head. So again, we're going to just maintain our cautiously bullish position, but it seems like we're just going to consolidate through the days and eat up some time just to get to the reports and see what's going on. And that's how I'm playing it. I took an entry when we took that dip, and I took a bullish trade, and it seemed to have worked out fairly well. So there's not much more we could say. The 10-year is moving up nicely, nicely. So those TBTs should be doing well if anybody got involved. Look, there's the gap we were looking to close, and I believe it's going to do that. Actually, I think it's going to continue its march up. We kind of talked about an entry over here for bonds when we were down here, just because this is a trend reversal. So everything's just kind of playing out the way we want it to play out. Yo, look at Tesla, huh? Tesla is performing. Look at you. Look at me. That didn't even get to trade that trend line. Yeah, that's the problem with those swing trades. But I'm sure there was an intraday trade in there. I wasn't watching it today. I was just playing with the S&P, and that paid off well. Look at TBT, man, almost at 18. That's a good move. Just looks like the 10-year chart, doesn't it? So we'll probably hit a little resistance around here and then move on up. Don't doubt that this isn't up to like 28 by the end of the year. Don't doubt it. Don't doubt it. What else are we looking at? We know the stuff we like. We like Bank of America. Yeah, everything's just in. And we talked about the entries. We like Costco. Oh, that one's not really doing it. But I like that hammer. Hammer. Today's probably a good day to get it. I always liked Disney and loved it when it got beat up. Whenever it gets beat up, I get involved. Throw my extra cash in there. And that's what I wait. I just sit on cash until people are screaming bloody murder, and then I get in. Honeywell. We started talking about it back here, but it's looking pretty good. This looks like it might be building an inverted head and shoulders. We need this to come down a little bit. Put a trend line right here. Kind of cheesy, but not bad. I mean, you could see the trend reversal happening in the momentum and in the price action. So you can get involved right now if one was to take a trade, or a conservative trade would be breaking this 1178. Netflix, always good on dips. She's getting ready too. You got a trend reversal in there. Actually, looks like a divergence a little bit. This looks much more aggressive than that. Feels divergent. And then there's a trend reversal right there. If it breaks this, then away it goes. NVIDIA. I just love that company. I love the product. Really happy with it. Yeah, these are just good prices to get involved with things. Things are good and low. Oh, that's a nice jump up. Aberdeen, physical palladium. You know my spiel on palladium. And look, everything kind of has the same pattern. We're getting ready to make a move up, I think. I'm socking away this space. I bought more today. It's Virgin Galactic. I just like the whole sector. I like the industry. Looks like that 240 is set up. Nice. Looks like we might have found the bottom here. I mean, it's really the daily that we're worried about. You could just chip away at that. And Viacom. Oh, look, people are getting involved too. Yeah, this one I'm glad I wasn't late on. Yeah, I see a merger or a takeover over here for Viacom. I think by the end of the year, we're looking at a $64 number on this. I like Verizon. I put it away. I believe it's like a $4, 4% dividend. And XOM started getting back involved in it. Probably see a move close to 70, and then it'll retrace again. That's pretty much how I play that. So anyway, that's what I'm looking at. But SPX is doing exactly what we want it to do. And we're just going to let it keep on keeping on. It is showing some divergence, but we will watch it. We're going to remain bullish because it's bullish, and we won't buck the trend or fight the market. We're going to make money as we make money. Good swing trade would be breaking that high. You're going to get some movement in that direction, and it's nice and conservative to get in over there. Let's just take a look, just see how the weekly's setting up after the first day. Think, yeah. Yeah, it's a little divergent. That I got to get rid of that thing. That's a little upsetting. Oh, it just gives you reason to pause. We'll have to see how it plays out this week. Looks like we're trying to test that high at least. 808.93. Probably flirt with it tomorrow. All right, we'll just keep an eye on it and see where everything goes. I'm having a good time in the market. Hope everybody else is. Happy New Year to you all. Remember, calm and cool. Don't overtrade. You should be at peace when you trade. Do me a favor. Hit the subscribe. Hit the bell. Hit the like. Hit up the comments. Let me know what you think about what I'm doing. I've got thick skin, so let me have it. And that's it. Have a good night and good luck trading.